In this video, we're going to talk about how we are going to maximize the whole screen. Okay, so the first and foremost thing that you have to do is click on Devices, Insert Guest Addition CD Image. Okay, now you can click here, Show Apps, go to Files. So here you could see that there is a VirtualBox Guest. So here, open the terminal, open in console. Okay, so here I'm giving ls. So we need to run this file, VirtualBox Linux additions.run. Okay, so I'm giving sudo /VirtualBox Linux additions.run. So the password, now it's getting installed. Let's wait for a few seconds. So here, search for Snipkit. So go for discover. So click on this CentOS update package development tools, copy this, so here I'm just going to root. Okay, so now let me paste it and enter. Now here, ls, so we are going to run VirtualBox Linux additions.run. Okay, so I'm going to go for sudo /paste run. So yes, we got it. So what we have to do is either we can do a re-login, or I can just minimize or maximize so that it could fit on our screen. Okay, so thank you for watching. So the first and foremost thing that you have to do is just update the things and copy paste it from over here. Okay, so I paste the command and go ahead, insert the guest addition and execute the VirtualBox run. Is going to get installed so that you can get this flow. Thank you. See you in next video.